if you are earning 50,000 naira, you cannot solve your family problem. Quote me anywhere, you not go fit.
Ryan Little.
So I made a video about budgeting 200,000 naira the other day, and the comments humbled me deeply because a lot of you were like, Betha, God bless you, thank you for that video, but we're not there yet. Okay, some of us actually earn 50,000 naira. Some of us earn 70,000 naira. In fact, some of us, even though we are earning 50,000 naira, we still have responsibilities. You know, we have to send money to our siblings, we have to send money to our parents, and better to be honest, it is quite exhausting. We are tired. And I won't even lie to you, 50,000 naira a month is really hard. Okay, there's really no cute way to put it. But since that's where you are right now, what I'm not going to do is shame you. And I'm certainly not going to lie to you either. So we're just going to talk like siblings, you know, whether your big sister or your small sister. Anyone when I fit, put me there. Okay, so for today's video, let's talk about how to budget 50,000 naira a month, especially if you're also supporting family like me, because truthfully I can relate. You know, I have been there and I am still there, you know. Now before we start, let me just say this very clearly. This video is not magic, okay? 50,000 naira will not suddenly become 500,000 naira. This video is about survival and about sanity. It has nothing to do with, you know, soft life. We're not there yet, okay? Let's just all assume that we're not there yet. And if you have not seen my other videos, I have already talked about how to budget your salary and, you know, how to start investing, even if it is small, right? This particular one that you're watching now is the foundation level. You know, if you get this one right, when more money comes, you will not scatter it. Do you understand? Let's be honest here, 50,000 naira is not particularly budgeting money. It's more of a decision money, right? Every 1,000 naira you spend here means that something else will suffer for something else. So if you're watching me hoping that I will say, oh, inside your 50,000, you can save 20,000 and invest 15,000 and still enjoy life, please come closer to the screen so that I can shake you small so that you can wake up from this dream. Okay, look, this budget is about feeding yourself, about transporting yourself from your house to the place of work. You know, it's about small family support and you not losing your mind in the process. Now, the first thing we want to do is divide our money. And by our money, I mean our 50,000 naira. And of course, I do not mean dividing it in your head. I mean dividing it right on paper. So I need you to get a book and a biro and let's start writing these things down. Okay, now we have all agreed that our total money is 50,000 naira and we need to start with feeding because at the end of the day, now we work good chop, right? So for feeding in a month, let's just say 20,000 naira. Now for transportation, let's say 15,000. And then maybe family support, we can say 7,000. Now for emergency or buffer money, let's place it at 5,000 naira. Then of course you need airtime, you need data. Let's just peg it at 3,000 naira. I know some of you are like, oh, Betha, this money you are calling, you know it does not reach anything. Look, and the question you should be asking is, Betha, is this a perfect budget? No, the answer is no. Now, the second question, Betha, is it realistic? Well, for me, I think it is way better than pretending. What do you think? Because it's just 50,000 naira we're talking about here. And that's the reality of a lot of people. So let's not even downplay it at all. Let's not do that. When I say 20,000 naira for food, I'm talking eating normally. You cannot be eating vibes, okay? This is where bulk cooking saves your life. You know, I'm talking rice, I'm talking beans. I know say some of you no like beans. Oh, if I chop beans, I go to mess. If I chop beans, I go too grow tall. You need to grow tall so that people go to see you from far. You need to chop beans because if you chop small, you go belly full. Beans need to be in your food timetable. If you earn 50,000, I tell you, you need beans. And let me just tell you this: if you eat out every day inside this 50,000 naira, this budget will end up beating you. Yes, you will want beat the 50k. The 50k go beat you. And if you are in the diaspora watching this is more like you trying to survive on a very tight grocery budget while still trying to pay for your transportation. Look, the logic is the same. The only difference here is the currency. Okay, now for transportation, I mentioned 15,000 naira. What this means is that you cannot be entering Uber every day. You will not get the money. Every day is not for Uber. You know, you may actually need to combine trips. When you walk small, You enter bus, danfo, enter. Or better still, you negotiate with your leg. Because at the end of the day, all of us get legged this Benz. Or let's say you not just want to use your own because you lazy. At the end of the day, a win is a win because as you dey trek, you go still burn some kind calories wey you get from the beans, if at all. And no, better this thing is not fair. It's not fair. Life is not fair, but it is temporary. Okay, you not go dey earn 50,000 naira for life. This is where you are at right now. So I'm trying to make sure that it works. Okay, now let's talk about the elephant in the room: family support. Because some of us now, as we dey work for family. Let's not even sugarcoat it. Okay, and I'm going to be very honest with you, but maybe I should be a bit gentle here. Better not shout. Look, if you are earning 50,000 naira, you cannot solve your family problem. Quote me anywhere, you not go fit. You can only support them within your capacity. See, sending money and then borrowing to survive is not support. You are harming yourself. It is called self-harm. And it is self-harm with good intentions. Look, 5,000, 7,000, even if it's 10,000, that's okay. That's enough support. You know, there's no room for suffering here. And sometimes support is not always in money. It could be in food stuff. It could be you buying data for somebody. It's just honesty. You are not wicked because you don't have more. You not get. You not get. You understand? Anyways, moving on, let's talk about savings because I know some of you will still ask me. And at 50,000 naira, your savings might just be 1,000 naira or 2,000 naira. And if in some months you cannot even save at all, look, you're not a failure. Okay, this particular stage that you're in now is about your habits and not necessarily the amount. And that's why when I talked about investing in my other video, I said investing only makes sense after you can breathe. Say you never breathe, you never get money for savings, you never get emergency funds, all those kind of things. Investing not go work because any small thing you don't go there, you don't withdraw. You don't redeem, because that's the word there. You don't redeem your money because normally you don't go put money for savings inside investments. You not go get peace of mind. You dey hear me? Look, if this is where you are right now, I want you to know something. This season that you're in, it does not define you. It doesn't. But what you do in this season actually matter. It does. Look, learning discipline with 50,000 naira, it will definitely change your life when it now becomes 200,000 naira in the nearest future. Because my church mind, they tell me, say, you no go fit dey collect 50,000 naira for longer because the things you're going to learn this year is definitely going to broaden your brain, broaden your scope of thinking. Oh, I can do more because that's what this channel is about. Look, I'm proud of you for even sitting down to watch this video. All right, because not a lot of people will be patient enough. Oh, my life don't spoil. Now 50,000 at the end for this kind of economy. I beg, not to anybody won't tell me, but you're here. You watched up until this point. It just gives me a sign, just telling me that you really want to do better. And I want you to know deeply, I am proud of you. Now, if this video helped you, please make sure to like it. It always helps out this channel. Also go ahead to drop a comment if you're very comfortable with it. But I don't even see why you will not be comfortable with telling me things. Me, when they tell you things, tell me, how much do you earn? And what is the hardest part about budgeting for you? And please make sure to watch the budgeting and investing videos. I feel like they will really help you. I would link them below. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. This is Betha's Corner. Like I always say, we are learning, we are unlearning, and we are definitely doing better one step at a time. Don't worry, baby steps, you will get there. You're not behind. You are just building. Okay? I'll see you guys on the next one. All right? Bye.